All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So particular. Particular. So something specific. Yeah. We want that particular fence. Which particular hole should we put the papers through? Yeah, which particular hole? Yeah. Put your hand through that particular hole. Those particular people know the answer. Those particular people know the answer. That particular document will have the answers. Yeah, that particular document will have the answers you're looking for. This particular library does not have those kinds of books. This particular library does not have those kinds of books. No. That was one particular route we could have gone down. We could have gone down that particular route, but we decided not to. Yeah. We're walking down that particular road. Yeah. Now, do you know which particular road is the quickest to the ocean? I'm not so sure. I think it might be that particular. 1, 2, 3. That particular one. Yeah, something specific. That one. He will go to a particular meeting tonight. Yes, we have to be in a particular building soon. Yes, there will be people. The people there will talk about a particular topic. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, particular. Which particular chocolate do you want? So, can you use particular in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.